Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Lexus hybrid battery. Hybrid batteries are designed for longevity, often lasting 8 to 15 years or well over 100,000 miles. However, when replacement becomes necessary, costs can range from $2,000 to $8,000. We'll cover the different battery options, the general replacement process, and tips for extending your new battery's life. When replacing your Lexus hybrid battery, you have a few choices. New original equipment manufacturer, or OEM, batteries provide the best performance and longest life, but they are the most expensive. Reconditioned batteries are a budget-friendly alternative, typically lasting 3 to 5 years. These are often readily available and involve restoring used battery packs. Aftermarket batteries are another option, usually priced lower than new OEM units. Replacing a Lexus hybrid battery is a complex task best handled by professionals due to high voltage risks. The process begins with disconnecting the 12-volt battery and the crucial high-voltage service plug for safety. Next, interior trim and rear seats are removed to access the battery. The old battery is then unbolted and carefully taken out, followed by cleaning the compartment. Finally, the new battery is installed, all connections are secured, and the interior is reassembled. To help your new Lexus hybrid battery last as long as possible, consider a few maintenance tips. Regularly inspect the battery and ensure its cooling vents are clear of debris, as proper airflow is vital. Consistent driving habits and avoiding extreme hot or cold temperatures can also contribute to its longevity. Always pay attention to dashboard warning lights and address them quickly to maintain optimal battery health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.